This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a terrific Lincoln Park location near the park's most popular attractions to tour one of the renovated vintage apartments at the Patricians, 401 West Fullerton. I'm in Unit 907, a studio with a sleeping alcove, looking at the entry door and two closets as you would have entered the unit. Looking at brass hardware on the closet pulls. Additional vintage touches include high baseboard moldings and elaborate crown moldings. It's a separate sleeping area here as you continue into the apartment. Another closet off to the left. Then you have a living, dining, kitchen area here. Breakfast bar lip on the peninsula. Very attractive U-shaped kitchen with really good cabinet and counter space. Stainless steel appliance package includes a built-in microwave, a dishwasher, honey-colored cabinetry, granite counters, undermount sink. You have oak flooring that continues throughout the unit. And you have an attractively finished bath with a soaking tub, pedestal sink, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, shelves for your shampoo and soap, and additional closet space. Really terrific storage space for a studio in this unit. Building has an appealing suite of amenities and a location that you'll love more and more the longer you live here. Steps from the park, steps from the great bars, restaurants, one-of-a-kind shops and big box shops that line Clark and Broadway. You really have to have the Patricians on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.